rainfall technology is a foldable tank, kaya rainfold. We're trying to get water from rain. So harvest rain for off-grid water supply or water source. So ito po pwedeng gamitin for disaster risk. Pwede rin po siya sa off-grid water supply for livelihood. Let's say crab farming. Pwede rin po siya sa hydroponics. And then nilalagay po ito sa remote communities. Pwede po sa WASH program nila. Para yung mga bata kasi na meron po kaming community sa Pangasinan, every day they have to bring in water to school. So we tried a solution para to help them with rainfall. We're trying to set the standard for drinking. Kasi yung mentality kasi natin mga Pinoy, kapag ay, rainwater yan, ayoko ipaligo yan. Parang ganon. So, nothing touches my skin. Mga ganyan sila. So, ang nangyari, we wanted to give them a mentality na yung harvested rainwater natin, pwede natin ipanligo, pwede rin pong panghugas ng pinggan.
Panlaba.
And then, panlaba, pwede ho. And then, kasi every year, ang taas ng rainwater, rainfall natin.